Today we're gonna make shake and bake pork chops with Brussels sprouts and fingerling potatoes. First thing we're gonna do is slap our gloves on for handling meat and eggs and all that. Alright, I'm gonna make an egg wash. With that, we'll take about 3 or 4 eggs, pop them right into the bowl there. Alright, then you take the eggs and you just give them a nice whip there, break them up, nothing too serious. Hit it with the old salt and pepper, just a scooch. Alright, now you're ready. Alright, now that you whipped your eggs, you're going to want to season your meat with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of nice Montreal steak seasoning. I don't know if they are trademarked or not, but we'll figure it out. Dip them in the egg, dip it in your shake and bake. Place them right down on your nice sheet pan here. Just repeat. Alright, now what you want to do is you take your pork chops, put them in the oven at 375. And you're going to let those cook about 25-30 minutes until they're golden and crispy. Now we're going to prep the veggies. Alright, I'm going to take this pan, I'm going to fill it about 1/4 of the way with some water. Not too much, but enough to braise the vegetables, because you got to get them soft a little bit before you go to sauteing them and whatnot. So put that water on. While that's getting hot, swing over here, cut up my veg. Alright, now I'm going to take these fingerling potatoes, cut them on the bias like that, chop them all up. Just like that. Almost there for the potatoes. Once the potatoes are cut, we're going to throw them into the water and start cutting the Brussels sprouts. Alright, we're gonna take the potatoes, throw them into the water, just like that. Just let them simmer and get soft. Alright, Brussels sprouts, I like to cut the butts off and then cut them in half, just like that. It's cool if some of the leaves fall off because they crisp up and are awesome if you do it right. Alright, next we're going to take these Brussels sprouts we just so kindly and throw them right in with potatoes. Oh yeah, make a happy family. Next, a little salt and pepper, a little Montreal, we're partying. I'm gonna have to drain these bad boys. Then I'm gonna saute finish it. we're gonna drain about 2/3 of the moisture out. And then pop it on high heat. Check our meat here in the oven. Stand by. Let's see. Let's see. What do we got here? All right. Feel nice and firm. They're looking golden. Just to check. Looking like we're good. We're gonna let those rest while the veggies finish. Grab. Turn the oven off here, and then we'll move this right on over to the well-prepared area for plating. All right, before it is ready to plate, while it's still hot, we're gonna melt this butter boy down in here. And we're gonna re-season her just a moment with the usual suspects. Steak seasoning, a little black pepper, and this is kind of salty, so I'll leave this without this round. Finish that off. Try to make a nice little sauce in there. Alright, now we're going to plate this up real nice here. I'm going to go veg on the bottom like that. A little bit more. We're going to take our meat. Put it on top like this. Come back with the sauce. Just hit it with a nice little drizzle like that. Just like that. What do you say? Is it good? It's delicious. Well, these guys, this one happy over here too? Yeah, okay, I'll take that. Cool.